Hey everyone, welcome to my Optimum Health God's Way YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at healing, restoring, and maintaining liver health. Liver disease is a significant health issue globally, and it is a major contributor to healthcare costs. In some areas, liver disease is the leading cause of death. The liver is a large, remarkable, strong, and hardworking, very important organ for our human health. It is involved in more than 500 processes or functions in a day or every day. It performs important roles in digestion by producing bile, detoxification by filtering blood and breaking down drugs, storing energy as glycogen from the glucose that we consume, regulating nutrients like vitamins and minerals in the body, and a lot of other important functions for our health. The incidence of fatty liver disease has skyrocketed in the last decade. Most people think that alcohol is the main reason. However, metabolic imbalance, like body's ability to convert food and drink into energy, and underlying inflammation, chronic inflammation, play a lot of role in liver disease. Unless we address and take care of these underlying issues or problems, it would lead to buildup of toxins and poisons and worsen inflammation in the body. As a result, the liver can't function or process or work efficiently. The best thing is God created the liver as resilient, forgiving, for it can regenerate and heal itself, provided we use the right approach, do the right things to restore, heal, or maintain liver health. Are you tired of feeling sluggish, dealing with bloating, worrying about your liver health? This is the right video for you. Now let's look at the definition of liver disease. When we say liver disease, we are speaking of conditions that affect liver functions, such as viral hepatitis, inflammation caused by viruses, hepatitis A, B, C, D, E, or Epstein-Barr virus, and others. 2. Alcoholic liver disease due to excessive alcohol use. 3. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease due to the fat buildup in the liver. 4. Autoimmune diseases. Immune system attacks the liver, like autoimmune hepatitis, primary biliary cholangitis, primary sclerosing cholangitis, and others. 5. Metabolic dysfunction associated steatotic liver disease, like obesity, type 2 diabetes, which are non-alcoholic. 6. Cirrhosis, severe or permanent scarring of the liver that impairs its function. 7. Inherited conditions like hemochromatosis, which is iron overload, or Wilson disease, copper overload. Now let's look at signs and symptoms of liver disease. Number 1, jaundice, yellowing of skin and eyes. 2, ascites, swelling in the abdomen. 3, swelling in legs and ankles. 4, itchy skin. 5, loss of appetite. 6, dark colored urine. 7, pale stools. 8, easily bruised or easily bleed. 9, fatigue or weakness. 10, nausea and vomiting. Now let's look at effective method of healing. In order to heal any disease, in this case liver disease, effectively, first of all, we need to ascertain or find out the cause or causes. Secondly, we need to remove, change, or correct everything that cause or causes. Then we need to expel toxins, impurities, and waste left in the body by the cause or causes. Lastly, we need to re-establish the right health principles. The first effective method of healing is to find out or ascertain the cause of causes. Number 1, diet. like refined sugar, salt, saturated fat, processed food, sodas, caffeine, red meat, fried food, fast food, refined carbohydrates like white bread, white rice, white pasta, and others. 2. Toxins, work-related chemicals like a dry cleaning solvent, carbon tetrachloride, or vinyl chloride, which is used to make plastics, the herbicide or industrial chemicals like polychlorinated biphenyls, heavy metals like arsenic, which is widely found in nature, excess or prolonged alcohol use, or certain mushrooms. 3. Obesity, fat accumulation in abdominal or within liver cells like non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or insulin resistance that contributes to increased fat production in the liver that impairs liver's ability to remove excess fat, like inflammation and oxidative stress that damages liver cells. It would lead to fibrosis or scarring of the liver, to cirrhosis, which is severe irreversible liver disease. 4. Infections, virus infections like hepatitis A, B, C, D, E, Epstein-Barr virus, herpes virus, or bacteria infections like salmonella and others, parasitic infection like tapeworms, roundworms, or liver flukes that affect the liver. 5. Certain medications, certain health conditions, certain medications like painkillers, Tylenol, ibuprofen, diclofenac, naproxen, a wide range of antibiotics, antidepressant medication, heart, arthritis, other medications like antifungal or anticonvulsant medications, statins, and others, health conditions like type 2 diabetes, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, hormonal imbalance associated with obesity that contributes to overeating and weight gain. 6. Insufficient vitamin D, because vitamin D helps regulate immune system inflammation, cells growth, stimulates liver. So if we don't have enough vitamin D, it can cause liver disease. 7. Constipation and poor metabolism. Due to constipation, the bacteria in the gut would leak into bloodstream that could reach liver, or poor metabolism could lead to insulin resistance and high lipid levels that could cause fatty liver disease. 8. Genetic liver disease can pass down from your parents, like hemochromatosis, iron overload, or Wilson disease, copper overload, or alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency, the buildup of abnormal protein in the liver. 9. Using shared needles in injecting drugs, you can pass hepatitis B and others. 10. Physical inactivity could contribute to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, obesity, insulin resistance. 11. Insufficient sleep that contributes to fatty liver disease and promotes fat accumulation and inflammation, insulin resistance. 12. Stress that contributes to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, inflammation, or impaired blood flow in the body. Now let's look at second effective method of healing. Remove, change, or correct anything, everything that causes. We already looked at all the causes, so you can ask yourself what is causing your liver disease, and you can remove, correct, and change, be it diet, lifestyle, or habit. The third effective method of healing is to expel impurities, toxins, and wastes left in the body even after you remove, change, and correct the cause or causes. You can go on liver cleansing program. It takes 3 days. For the first day, drink the juice of 5 lemons with 1/3 cup of olive oil, plenty of water. Take enema, coffee enema, or garlic and lemon enema. On the second day, drink the juice of 10 lemons with 1/3 cup of olive oil and do the same thing. On the third day, drink the juice of 15 lemons with 1/3 cup of olive oil and take enema. The last effective method of healing is to reestablish the right health principles, or God's right health principles. They promote good health, which means good blood and good circulation, and there are 8 of them. Number 1, godly trust. In Exodus 15:26, 6, God says, I am the Lord that heals you. In Psalms 103 verse 3, the Lord heals all diseases, including liver disease. Godly trust is one of the best antidote to stress. All we have to do is ask God to heal us, trust Him that He will heal us, and obey and follow His health principles, like we obey or follow doctor's orders. 2. Open fresh air. Since harmful pollution negatively impact liver health, spending time outdoor in the open fresh air is very good for your liver health. Spending time outdoor often motivates you to do physical activity like walking, hiking, very beneficial for liver health. Spending time outdoor in nature and breathing fresh air helps boost your mood and reduce stress and anxiety. Promote exposure to sunlight plays a role in liver health and in reducing inflammation. Oxygen in the open fresh air accelerates healing, and negative ion helps boost immune system. 3. Daily exercise helps reduce liver fat and inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity, and helping to boost energy levels, strengthening muscle from wasting, supporting liver detox by enhancing blood flow. As a result, it helps liver filter toxins more efficiently. Try to walk, swim, hike, and jump on bounce on rebounder. 4. Sunshine helps suppress liver inflammation due to its anti-inflammatory property and helps stimulate liver to eliminate toxins, helps boost immune system, helps reduce stress, helps improve mood. 5. Proper rest, like quality sleep. Sleep during healing hours from 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. and quantity sleep around 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night helps support the body's natural detoxification and cell repair, especially the liver cells, and helps in regeneration process, helps reduce liver stress and improve healing. And during sleep, the liver performs essential functions, flushing out toxins, repairing cells, regenerating liver cells. 6. Lots of water. By drinking adequate or lots of pure water, it helps liver flush out impurities, toxins, and wastes efficiently, helps improve circulation. There are more nutrients and oxygens delivered or supplied to the liver, and helps produce more bile for digestion and waste removal, and helps aid in breaking down and absorption of nutrients, helps keep the blood in so it is easier for the liver to function efficiently. As a result, it helps reduce its overall strain. Drinking adequate water helps manage symptoms of liver disease like fatigue, dry mouth, constipation, and helps reduce fat accumulation in the liver, and helps the liver to perform its many vital functions more efficiently. 7. Always temperate. By practicing temperance or self-control, you can better avoid, shun, or abstain from harmful and unhealthy diet, lifestyle, or habit that contribute to liver disease, so it helps improve your liver function and reduce the risk of liver disease. And by practicing self-control and temperance, it makes things easier to obey and follow God's health principles to restore, maintain, and heal your liver health. Lastly, nutrition. Genesis 1:29 and Genesis 3:18. God gives fruits, nuts, grains, vegetables, herbs to help support liver function, to repair and regenerate its cells, to improve detoxification, reduce inflammation, and manage weight, fluid retention, and others. Let's look at some food source for liver health. Zinc, lentils, whole grains, legumes, pumpkin seeds, nuts, avocados, cashews, sesame, pine seeds, soybeans. Magnesium, spinach, bananas, fig, black strap molasses, avocados, nuts, seeds, legumes, whole grains, and leafy greens. Omega-3 fatty acids like chia seeds, flax seeds, walnut, hemp seeds, and others. High fiber and good quality protein like leafy greens, fruits, nuts, seeds, legumes like beans and lentils. Healthy fats, extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, MCT oil, avocado oil. Antioxidants rich food like berries, leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, artichoke, pecan, kale, beets, grapes, pomegranates, colorful fruits and colorful vegetables. Sweet potato tomatoes, apples, and others. And herbs like dandelion, milk thistle, spices like turmeric, ginger, peppermint, yellow dog, licorice, root, wild yam, kelp, tamarind, alfalfa, golden seal, comfrey, barberry, crimp bark, catnip, liverwort, gentian, parsley, and others. Food supplements better than greens, spirulina, chlorella, sea moss, moringa, wheatgrass, and others. Now let's look at natural remedies for liver disease. Number 1, to see the result, it should take about 30 days. If it is possible, make it a new lifelong routine for your liver health. Number 1, fasting. Intermittent fasting or Daniel fast, like eat only fruits and vegetables, or elimination fast. Avoid and shun all the refined sugar, carbohydrates, fried food, processed foods, red meat, fast food, sodas, caffeine, and others. 2, take a 3 to 7 day liver detox. Juice about 4 lemons in a 1.5 quarts water and drink in the morning and before bedtime. 3, castor oil pack. Heat compress. Soak the large cotton cloth with castor oil. Put it on the upper right abdomen where your liver is. Put a heat pad on it. Or you can do hot liver pack. Blend 2 grapefruits with 1.5 cups of Epsom salt on a large cotton towel. Make sure you wrap it or secure it well. And apply olive oil on your upper right of your abdomen where your liver is, and place the pack over the liver. Put a hot water bottle over the pack for 30 minutes, but leave the pack overnight. 4, exercise daily. Try to walk, hike, swim, or bounce on the rebounder daily. 5, take cleaver root tonic. About 1 tablespoon of cleaver root powder in 8 ounces of water 3 times a day. Drink about 2 cups Paudiaco tea every day. Put about 1 tablespoon per cup of water. 6, take 3 ounces of beetroot juice 2 times a day, or 8 beet tablets 3 times a day. 7, take no enema intestinal bowel cleanser like Cascara sagrada, Sana, psyllium husk, tamarind juice, prune juice, or any other laxatives 3 times a day. Do enema 2 times a week. 8, mix 2 tablespoons of barberry, 2 tablespoons of crimp bark, 1 tablespoon of catnip, 3 tablespoons of liverwort, 1 tablespoon of chamomile, 3 tablespoons of gentian, 2 tablespoons of red beet, 3 tablespoons of parsley. Take 2 tablespoons of the mixture in 8 ounces of hot water 3 times a day. 9, take steam bath 2 times a week, hot Epsom salt bath 3 times a week. Drink 1 quart carrot juice 2 times a day, and 1 pint of green juice like dandelion greens, celery, parsley, cilantro, spinach, lemon juice, coconut water 2 times a day. Try tamarind juice too. 10, take vitamin C 1,000 milligrams 2 times a day. Vitamin D3 5,000 to 10,000 IUs daily. Magnesium glycinate 500 milligrams 2 times a day. Take some zinc and vitamin K2 1,000 micrograms a day. Turmeric 1,000 milligrams a day. Milk thistle 500 milligrams or 4 capsules 2 times a day. Dandelion root powder 4 capsules 3 times a day. Alfalfa 3 capsules 2 times a day. Golden seal 1 capsule 2 times a day. Kelp 3 capsules 2 times a day. Charcoal 1 capsule 3 times a day. Comfrey 3 capsules 2 times a day. 8 brain tablets 3 times a day. 2 capsules of skull cap daily. 1 capsule black cohosh daily. 99 milligram plantain 3 times a day. Friends, I would like to leave you with 3 John 2. Beloved, I wish above all things that you may prosper and be in health as your soul prospers. Bye for now until my next video. God bless.